Hey, what's up everybody? It's your main man, Lakeith Fowler, right here with another episode of House Money. Today, we're gonna talk about when you have to fire a crew and get a new crew to do the same work that another crew did, but they didn't complete it and they didn't do it right. So I'm at a fire damaged property right out here in McKinney, Texas. Come on in and let me show you what's going on. So let's speak about this door. I like this door color. Before we go on the inside, this is not the way this landscaping will look. I'm going to put shutters and I'll show you them on the inside. On the outside, they're gonna be cedar right here and right here. Also, I am gonna redo this landscaping, and you see that wood fence on the back there? I'm gonna replace them with panels that are gonna match the same color as the shutters that I'm gonna put on the outside of the house. But anyway, as you come on in, let's just talk about this. Let's talk about this. So the group came in here and they did an okay job as far as the paint goes, but I'm having to repaint the entire, skim the whole roof. It was a lot of runs, a lot of things that weren't correct that were in this house. So you see this open space in this fireplace and you're like, wow, this looks like something should be here. You're right, you're absolutely correct. Something should be here. So I'm gonna do tile all over, and I'm gonna do a mantle right here, and it's gonna look beautiful. I want you to see these lights. I can't turn them on. I'm still using the external light from my camera, only because the electricity isn't working completely right. So that's another issue. But anyway, they're repainting. As you see how good the paint looks off the walls, the white trim around the windows, the baseboard. We finally got our cabinets in. Also, if you haven't seen my YouTube video on house cabinets, be sure to check it out, because I did a video on this in new constructions. These cabinets are a little bit different. They're a little bit more sturdier than regular cabinets, than the pre-painted cabinets. These were wood, and they just painted them. They finished them out white. They're nice. They're nice. So I paid for, I got an appliance right here, got a microwave going here, a range going here, electric with the oven, 36-inch side-by-side stainless steel refrigerator going right here. It's gonna be nice. Got some more lights going up here where these blue caps are. Hot water heater. These guys are gonna come in here and redo this. Look like they repainted this already. Got a little fluff, but for the most part, it looks like they're repainted. Got a new hot water heater back here. Let's go to the rest of the house. This is the living room. Oh, and I'm gonna put a backsplash. So all around here, there will be a backsplash in that kitchen. Can't forget that. Kitchen is gonna be amazing, trust me. Right here, this air handler, they did not finish this putting the screen over here. So I got my guys, new team gonna finish this. They're rehabbing to do some things in this bathroom. Now the light does work in here. What I'm refinishing in here, this was a different color. I'll show you in the pictures. They're repainting it. There was a lot of mistakes, a lot of like, look up top. You see all that? It should not be like that. And not when I spent a lot of money to redo this whole house. Like, everything is redone. Baseboards, sheetrock, everything. I want it to be perfect, like real perfect. So some discrepancies up here in the paint. You look here, should not be like that. Should not be all these mistakes. I'm gonna show you some other stuff here in this other room. This is a second bedroom right here. So if you look up here, you see all that. No bueno. So I'm gonna let y'all know something right now. Like, when I rehab homes or I build homes new, I like to build them with the intent as if I was gonna live there. So I'm real particular about making sure how do I say this? So usually when you buy a project, when I buy a project, it goes good up until you get towards the punch out stuff, like the ending of stuff. The little stuff seems to be the hardest things to get individuals to do. So when I look up here and I see, you know, stuff not right, not even on the deal, you know, it's for me to say something about that. And if I don't say anything, then I'm just giving away a product that isn't superior than anybody else's product, but I want a superior price. So I go the extra mile with my work. There was a patch right here that they just went over. A lot of stuff in here has been redone. This is the master. Almost done in here. Got to put the carpet in here. Let me take you to the bathroom in here. It's not complete, but the electricity stuff is about to go in here. Got it all capped off. That's where the new stuff is gonna be. Got to do some finishing the vents for the AC. Like I say, some punch out stuff. I'm hoping I should be done with everything here in about a week or two. Shouldn't be too much longer than that. But I mean, it's a real nice house. It's a real nice house, real nice for a family. I feel like I did a pretty good job. Lakeith buys houses and land. You know, I kind of want to hear what you guys have to say about this restoration. So if you look on my channel, this is a McKinney fire damage property that I purchased. So just check it out, look and see where we are thus far, look at the progress that I've made. I'm not finished, but you know, I'm definitely a lot farther than where I started. So just check it out, tell me what you think. Drop a comment below. You know, I hope this video served as a purpose for you. You know, one thing in real estate I can tell you is that everything doesn't always go perfect. You know, as much as you want things, or you want to start out with the people that you start out with, sometimes you have to get new individuals. It's like a football game, you know what I'm saying? When the quarterback gets hurt, they got a backup, you know what I mean? Next man up. So in this situation, time is money. The loan is initiated. I'm on the clock. You know, I'm paying for this every day, so I don't have time to argue. I just have time to get past the situation and make the outcome a beneficial one for me and the team that I continue to go forward with. So that's just what I'm doing here. We got some new guys in here. They're doing a good job. You know, I'll let y'all see it when it's all done. Hey y'all, Lakeith buys houses and land. If you got a deal, let's make it real, man. Thank you. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on all social media platforms. Lakeith buys houses and land.